let's build a graduation cap. To start, grab part A and some scissors. Next, we're going to grab our glue stick and flip it over and glue right along the edges. And then place it down onto our cardboard. Next, do the same with part B. And we're going to glue them right next to it. Finally, cutting out parts C and D. Last ones, glue them down. Now that we glued everything down, we're ready to start cutting. Next, we're going to grab our scoring tool and score both parts B along these dashed lines. Quick test here to make sure they all fold up. We're going to do the same on the second piece. So, how we did before. Do a quick fold on each of those. Next, we're going to grab part C and we're going to remove the back layer. So we'll flip it over. Do a quick line here to outline the area we want to remove. And now use our scoring tool to take off some of the backside. So it will be easier to bend on our next step. Now, this is going to be the start of our tassel on our graduation cap. So we want to make sure it bends over the top of the cap by using the edge of a table nearby to do a quick test, just like that. And now you should see a little curve to it. Now let's tape parts B onto part A. First, where we see these blue marks, we're going to flip it over and add tape onto both of those. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the back. Now, if you see these 4 red shapes, we're going to go ahead and line up both of those pieces of tape right onto there. So it looks something like that. Let's do the same with the second piece. now it should look something like this. Next, let's grab our masking tape, and wherever we see these yellow marks, we're going to go ahead and put tape on the inside to secure the cap. Again on the other side. Awesome. Now let's do a quick check to make sure that it fits. If you wanted to adjust it to make it a little bit tighter or looser on your head, all you'd have to do is go in and change these pieces of tape. So you would take the side off and either make it wider to make it a little bit bigger, or tighter to make it a little smaller for you. Next, let's attach the tassel. So, I'm gonna flip our graduation cap over and grab our double-sided tape one more time and add some tape right along this strip. Take off the back. And then you're going to take this end of your and place it right there. You're going to wrap it around on top of each other so it sticks on top, just like that. Finally, you can go and move these out a little bit by hand to make it look slightly more like a tassel. Cool, now we have a tassel. Lastly, to attach it to the cap, we're going to grab our double-sided tape one more time and place it on top. I like to do 2 pieces to make it extra secure. And then I'm going to try and place it right in the middle and have the tassel angled out this direction. Press down. And we're done with our graduation cap. Should we try it on? We need the graduation song.